Hello guys, welcome back to the job. I found this lady with two kids and a bicycle collecting the bottles and cans. So I have some, might have to give it to her. All right, okay, so this is the bottle. Hello, sắp sửa bài. Are you bán đấy nhỉ? Anh ấy? 11 hayអត់ទៅរៀនទេរៀនដែរតែវ៉ាកងអូវ៉ាកងអញ្ចឹងមកជួយរើសចាដែរអូខេហើយមួយថ្ងៃរើសបានប្រហែលទៅថ្ងៃណាក៏បាន5 6 ពាន់អូ5 6ពាន់បានអត់ច្រើនបានទុកទល់វាទៅរៀនអូខេបាទ Alright guys, so I'm here met this two young boys here. It is a vacation and they don't have work to do. So they try to help the mom to collect cans and bottles. So I have some bottles for them, and I have some clothes. So let's see if you can take this T-shirt. You mean Romer ka áo, mơ Hello. Yeah, Romer, biết vô She should take it. Nó sẽ bóc côn nhông ta. Bóc côn sẽ bóc côn tẽ. Hay miếng khao bên ấy. Ní miếng khao. Quấy YouTube đó. Ảo. Yeah. So miếng ấy tiệt mà cho này. Okay, khao hay nè, vô này tiền, này tục oi vậy đặt đây vậy. Okay, and hey, hả? Ở miền thong này, nó vô bộ khu môi này. Okay, there's some more bottle here. Anh ấy hộp sky. Bottle. And ngay đây ban này nhắm. Đây, I have some noodle vô thong mà phụ đã. So it's a little bit of help. Phi buồn mùi bay đọc mà này nhá. Anh ấy phụ tục oi nè đọc tây tiết. Okay. All right. Hey, yeah, that's it. Okay. Ba. Okay. Tốt cho bài. Okay. Admin spike chương kệ tiết đó. Who admin đã spike chương. Okay, guys, that's it. You know, I gave her some shirts and I don't have any shoes. No shoes, no hat. So oh hi. Okay, but there's a lot of traffic here, so all right guys, so that's the whole family collecting bottles and cans, try to make a living here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. And it is what it is, you know. You can help as much as you can. I can do this. I just went to Macro Market yesterday, got the noodles, and now I give away almost half of it. See you in the next video. Bye. I met another lady with two grandchildren here, so I was gonna give her noodles and some cakes. So I don't have any bottle. Num, okay. Ở đây đây. Okay guys. Yeah, I get some doodle for this lady. That's a grandchildren. cháu vậy
cháu nhầm chân tăng côn ngà mấy cái tao thay mình chỉ mình mà
dân mà đai ở đây mau với nhau giờ mình hả ok nó ngay nhom ngay nó ăn miếng cục bông này nè bị đám nhom mà vô cục bông một tục cục bông này ok dân tới cho con tran. Alright, so I just give away another 2 bags of noodles. That will give her some food for today. At least she don't have to pay for the food for today. Well, that's what the job want to do, you know, give it back a little bit at a time. I can't do this every day because I'm on the budget. All right, guys. So I'm happy to do all this. It's okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Hello, guys. I drive by. Now I saw this lady here looking for a can, so I have some can for her. Anh nói gasoline, anh ấy nghiêm túc. Bà nó nghiêm túc. Miên ấy nhâm hay nấu? Giống miên cái tiêu, vô tiêu ấy. Này mí á. So yes, so this is what I do. I bought some instant noodles and maybe I don't know, t-shirt, maybe this t-shirt right here. She probably needs some t-shirt. One t-shirt, one t-shirt and one ni. Nhâm số t-shirt mua vô. Ok. Thấy mà ngay rô ban mà nữa.
Mà ngay ban
70,000
ចារៀនអ្នករត់ច្រើនពេក
អ្នករត់ច្រើនពេក
នំច្រើនណា ចាតើមកទាំងក្តៅទេបាទនិយាយតិចអស់ហើយនិយាយតិចអស់អូខេ yeah all right so yeah that's it guys off she goes so yeah I just drive by and saw her rode a bicycle like that and I have some can for her. Also give her a bag of noodles and one t-shirt. I mean just a little help, you know. That's what I like to do. Most of the times if I see unfortunate people to give it away, so I do it. It is what it is. Sometimes I see children collecting cans with their family, and it is heartbreaking. All right, I will see you the next video.